Welcome to Crypto Coins, where we review the best coins for you.
Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. My name is Chris and today we are talking meme coin. Another day, another meme coin. But before we get into it, just a reminder that I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. I'm simply a geek on the internet who brings you different things, whether those things are just entertainment. Sometimes it's, things that I think the people who watch this channel will enjoy or be interested in, might want to take a closer look at. But with whatever I bring you, always utilize your own due diligence and do your own research. That all out of the way, we are looking at a meme coin today, and we are looking at Raccoon coin, the guardians of meme. We raid fast. So they've been audited by Certic. I have actually pulled that up. 50.96. You could see that being higher, but the category score 70 in the top 25 percentile, which that isn't too bad. They are looks like they do have one major issue with centralization that has been mitigated partially. But I'm assuming they're going to continue working on it. The thing is, it is rising quite fast. It kind of appeared out of nowhere. There have been rumors and lots of coincidences. As you can see here, they're definitely chasing the memes, right? You have Dogwif, you have Doge, you have Bonk, you have Pepe, so they're definitely leaning on the memes, the guardians of meme. We raid fast, the most memeable RCN meme coin in existence. The dogs have had their day. It's time for the Raccoon to take reign. The reigns rage. Anyway, basically in a very short period of time, they have collected about $1 million worth of liquidity from funds and exchanges. So listing on centralized exchanges is pretty much guaranteed at this point. The fact that they're such an unknown project is garnering pretty major attention and major players really early does confirm that at the very least they want to be perceived as they're connected with Pepe. There's rumors that they might be connected with Pepe, but that remains to be seen. As you can see here, they do reference Pepe a lot, so we'll see as far as that goes. But Raccoon coin is currently undergoing its first round of public funding, and anyone can participate in it. You can go to their website. But yeah, we will go ahead and look through. Don't press the wrong button. By equal USD value raised total, you can see 1,003,338. Their goal being 2,346,000, so they've almost reached halfway of their goal. Raccoon coin sale tiers, you can see their different tiers, and this is the current round they are on. So 8% will be sold to partners who will build Raccoon with them. 12% part of RCN will be distributed in the private round among private investors. The hot auction will decide the fate of 20% of the RCN supply, and then the listing price is right there, which is anywhere from 20 times to 150 times growth. But yeah, it's one that's just kind of come out of nowhere. It's pretty impressive if they stick to their goals here. RCN is literally a meme coin. No utility, no roadmap, no promises, no expectations of financial return, just memes. So yeah, you can see potentially, you take a risk with meme coins. I mean, a risk with all of crypto, but meme coins have a very special place and they can take off, and there is no promise that there will be any financial gain, but Pepe did it, others did it. And Raccoon coin. Everyone is tired of the dogs, cats, and frogs in the world of crypto memes. This is the era of the raccoon. A raccoon that will soon take over and revolutionize the entire meme economy. Airdrop game, total balance, 6,698,652,764 so far, 36,946 total players. If you hold RCN until the airdrop, you will additionally receive Pepe, Meme, Shiba, and Floki. So that's pretty cool. I was gonna say, you said there was no roadmap, and it's not really a roadmap. But yeah, so it just is what it is. It is kind of what you expect from meme coins in this day and age. It does say at the very bottom here, 2024 by Pepe, all rights reserved. So could it be made by the same people? Possibly. But it is definitely garnering some attention, so maybe you guys check it out if you're interested in a meme coin. That's all I really got for this one. Let me know down in the we'll put links in the description. Let me know in the comments below what you think of Raccoon coin. Are you jumping in with the raccoons? Do you think it's time for the raccoon takeover? But that's all we got. See you in the next one. Peace.